Hey there, welcome to Items IQ. Are you ready to revolutionize your home with some amazing gadgets? Today we're bringing you the top 10 best home gadgets available on Amazon.com. From high-tech must-haves to clever tools designed to simplify your life, these gadgets are sure to impress. Whether you're looking to enhance your kitchen, boost your comfort, or add a touch of tech, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's discover these incredible finds together. The 5 House Flannel Fleece Throw Blanket, a must-have for ultimate comfort and style. Crafted from high-grade 100% microfiber polyester, this blanket offers a luxurious, ultra-soft feel that's perfect for all seasons. Its lightweight design makes it both durable and cozy, while the elegant brown leopard print adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Available in various sizes from throw to king, it's ideal for every need. The blanket's unique 3D texture provides a plush, warm experience, and it gets even softer with each wash. Plus, with easy care instructions and a satisfaction guarantee, you can enjoy peace of mind with every use. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with the 5 House Flannel Fleece Throw Blanket. The Smuxy Fully Assembled Walnut Luggage Rack, a stylish and practical addition to any guest room, bedroom, or hotel. Crafted from 100% solid bamboo, this luggage rack features a sleek walnut finish and durable nylon straps, designed to support up to 150 lbs on the top shelf and 50 lbs on the lower shelf. Its foldable design means it arrives fully assembled and can be easily set up or stored away, maximizing space and minimizing clutter. With 5 heavy-duty straps, the rack ensures stability and prevents wobbling. Ideal for keeping luggage off the ground and free from dust, dampness, and pets, this versatile rack is perfect for both temporary and long-term storage. Enhance your space with a blend of functionality and elegance with the Smuxy Luggage Rack. The CitiLife 32 QT storage bins, designed to bring order and creativity to your organizing needs. These large plastic bins feature a distinctive baseplate lid that's compatible with your existing bricks, allowing you to build and design custom creations like towering castles or bustling cities. With a generous 32 core capacity and 5 removable partition trays, these bins are perfect for sorting and storing everything from arts and crafts supplies to Lego pieces and sewing kits. The transparent design makes it easy to see the contents, while the secure clasp ensures portability and prevents spills. Ideal for organizing beads, tools, and other small items, the CitiLife storage bins offer both functionality and fun in a clear white finish. The Bellidor mattress bags for moving, featuring 8 sturdy handles for easy transport. Designed to fit twin XL mattresses, this extra thick, reusable cover is crafted from durable 150G polyethylene tarpaulin, offering superior resistance to rips, water damage, and dust. The opaque blue material not only ensures privacy but also helps conceal the mattress from view. With a water-resistant construction note, the zipper is not waterproof. It's ideal for storing your mattress in various conditions such as sheds, attics, or basements. The bag's versatile design allows for effortless dragging or carrying, making it perfect for moving or long-term storage. Save money and reduce waste with this reliable, reusable mattress protector that also works well for box springs and other furniture. The Comfy Cubs muslin swaddle blankets, designed to be an essential addition to any baby's wardrobe. Measuring a generous 47 x 47, these versatile blankets are perfect for swaddling, tummy time, nursing cover-ups, and more. Made from premium muslin rayon blend with bamboo cotton, they offer a soft, breathable, and absorbent fabric that keeps your baby cozy in cooler weather and comfortable in warmer conditions. The blankets also provide protection from harsh UV rays, making them ideal for stroller covers during outdoor outings. Available in a stylish gray and multiple other colors, these swaddle blankets make a thoughtful gift for baby showers or a practical choice for your own nursery. Each set includes 4 blankets, ensuring you have plenty of coverage for every need. The Lalatu Checkered Tablecloth, featuring a classic buffalo plaid design in vibrant orange and white. This 55 x 55 inch square tablecloth adds a charming farmhouse touch to any setting with its elegant tassel edge and rustic appearance. Made from a durable cotton linen blend, it is resistant to fading, shrinking, and wrinkles, and is easy to care for. Simply machine wash and enjoy the tassels that stay intact. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, it's a versatile choice for dining rooms, kitchens, picnics, and special occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ensure a perfect fit by choosing a size that extends beyond the table edges for a beautifully draped effect. The KGOR GE Wild Rose Velvet Curtains, designed to bring a touch of luxury to any room. Each set includes 2 panels, each measuring 52 inches wide by 96 inches long, offering a total width of 104 inches when combined. Crafted from plush velvet, these curtains are not only silky smooth but also provide a rich texture and elegant look. They come in a variety of charming colors and offer 3 hanging options: back tab, rod pocket, or clips, making them versatile for different curtain rods. These curtains are highly effective at blocking sunlight and UV rays, ensuring enhanced privacy and improved energy efficiency by insulating against summer heat and winter chill. Easy to care for, they can be machine washed or dry cleaned, and a steam iron can be used on low heat to maintain their luxurious appearance. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, and more, they add both style and functionality to your home decor. The set of 2 outdoor waterproof pillow covers from Daitsi. Each cover measures 18 x 18 inches and features a light gray, solid pattern. Made from durable olefin fabric, these pillow covers are designed to withstand the elements with their waterproof, UV-resistant, and wear-resistant properties. Perfect for patio, porch, balcony, or garden use, they also add a stylish touch to indoor settings like sofas and beds. The breathable material ensures comfort, while the water resistance helps protect against stains and mildew. These covers are easy to maintain. Simply wipe with mild detergent in cold water or machine wash and tumble dry. With their versatile design and universal fit, they blend seamlessly with any decor and can be used on both sides. Please note that the pillow inserts are not included. The Cepro 6FT beige table cover, made from a blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex, this fitted rectangular tablecloth offers a sleek, wrinkle-free appearance that's both stretchable and durable. Designed to fit tables measuring 72 inches in length and 30 inches in width, it's perfect for various occasions, including parties, weddings, trade shows, and banquets. The table cover features reinforced double-layer Oxford fabric leg pockets that ensure a snug fit and prevent the cover from slipping or billowing in the wind. Its stain-resistant and lightweight fabric makes it easy to maintain, while its stretchable nature adapts to different table leg types. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this versatile table cover can also be used on dessert tables, buffet tables, and more. For easy care, it can be hand or machine washed in cold water and tumble dried on low. Transform your event space with this elegant, functional table cover, available in various colors and sizes to suit your needs. The AW Bridal Novelty Coffee Mug Set. This charming set includes 2 12 Oz ceramic mugs, perfect for couples who cherish their coffee moments together. The mugs feature a stylish love you design and come with lids, keychains, and mixers, all elegantly packaged in a premium black and gold gift box, no additional wrapping needed. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free ceramic with a unique reactive glaze, these mugs are both durable and easy to clean. Their smooth glaze prevents coffee and tea stains, while the C-type handle and wide base provide comfort and stability. Safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and oven, these mugs are ideal for hot or cold beverages. Whether you're celebrating an engagement, wedding, or anniversary, or simply looking for a thoughtful gift, this set is a perfect choice. Make every coffee date special and add a touch of elegance to your daily routine with these delightful mugs. From the versatile non-stick frying pans by Amarku to the elegant Lennox cake knife server set, these products bring quality and style to your home. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen tools or looking for the perfect gift, each item is crafted to enhance your everyday life. Explore these selections to elevate your cooking, dining, and entertaining experiences. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check out these fantastic finds.